So yeah, hi guys. So today we will learn the list comprehension. Okay. So first we will discuss why we will use list comprehension. Like what the problem we facing during the our coding. So first I am taking one example. So I am taking defining one list, numbers of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this list. Now we want to get the even number from the list 1, and we want to store into the list 2. So I am defining and taking as list 2. Okay, so we want to take even numbers from the list and store into the list 2. So for this we will use for loop like this. We'll get the item from the list list 1. Then we will check if item modulo 2 equals to 0. Then list2 dot append list item, and then we will print list2. Okay, so here we have example lst1. Okay, it's lst1. Okay, now running this. Yeah, so we have 2, 4, 6 here, right? So in this case we have 2, 4, 6 here with the help of this for loop. Okay, so now what we will do, we will use list comprehension instead of for loop. Okay. So basically with the help of list comprehension, the list comprehension executed list comprehension much faster than the for loop, and also this is a very simple syntax, a small syntax. So list comprehensions are the shorter syntax to create a new list on the basis of existing list. So here on the basis of existing list, we want to create a new list, then we need to create a for loop and implement our functionality. Okay, now we will use list comprehension instead of this for loop. So what we will do, we will use lst2. Here we have item for item in lst1 if item modulo 2 equals to 0. Okay, so here we have we used the list comprehension, sorting this like this so that we can see in one line. Okay, now I am removing this from here and running. Yeah, so here we can see like in only one line. Okay, so in only one line we implemented our program to get the even number from the existing list lst1 and added into the another list. So this is the way of list comprehension. So with this shorter syntax, we can implement similar functionality with the help of list comprehension. Okay, now we can also use if condition, we can also use for, we can also use double for loop here. Like if we take example a list of A, comma B, where for A in range 3, for B in range you can also take 3. Okay. Now when we run this and print lst, okay, so here you can see we can also use double for loop in this list comprehension. So this is the simple concept of list comprehension. This is very useful. It's execute very fast as compared to the for loop. So yeah, so thank you guys. So we will discuss the join and list copy in our next list part, Python list part, the next video.